Thank you for coming back to Polka Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I've got a couple of things for you. Number one, why I went back for a fifth box. What product I could not resist. Two, something unbelievably crazy I can't even believe. And three, I'll just touch briefly upon summer spoilers because those are already coming. So, first off, the fifth box. Why I went back for it. I'll tell you why I went back for it. And the reason why I went back for it is not in this box. Crazily enough, there was something that I was really hoping would have come in my extra boxes. And I decided that as much as I had told myself like, oh, I don't need that, I went back for it. I went back for it. I renewed a third account that I had active that actually ships to the US. And I did that because I really wanted this one item. But when I went to the customization choices, it was gone. so it's not in this box, but I did still get it. Now more on that. Okay, so I've got another code. I've scratched 5 of these now. Actually, my daughter has scratched some. She likes this. I'm gonna let her scratch that. I've not won on any of them. So let's go in order. Okay, customization number 1. I went and picked out the Kate Spade sunglasses. I was not sure that they would look great on me, which is why I didn't pick them the first time. I'm always tempted by sunglasses because I really like them, but tell me what you think. And do they suit me? Cat eyes are usually too big for my face, and they might still be too big for my face as well. They feel very comfortable actually, and it might look better if I didn't have a hat. Apparently I should have got the aviators, and the aviators is actually what I thought I would try, but they were gone because I think aviators would look better with a baseball cap. Anyway, they're nice. I've got sunglasses from FabFitFun before, and they haven't really suited me very well in the past. It's a really tough thing, but I always wear them still anyway, and I like having extra sunglasses around, so I was happy to pick those up in customization number 1. In customization number 2, I got the FabFitFun candle. I was sure that this was going to be one of the things that came in my box for one of the surprise boxes, just because it's an in-house brand or an in-house branded thing. It's actually Ryan Porter. Oh, it smells great already. So in this category, I picked the placemats that I'm looking forward to having out this Easter. But this is really cute. It says party like it's your birthday. It smelled actually stronger when I just took it out of the box, like a beautiful vanilla. And it's really quite cute. It'll match my 3-tiered tray right now for Easter. And it's also my daughter's birthday this month. So one of my daughter's birthdays this month. So this will be a cute little candle to add to my 3-tiered tray. Fact. Well, let's just put it in there right now. Cute. Okay, so that was customization number 2. Customization number 3 had the item that I really wanted. I couldn't get it, so I got another pair of the underwear. Or a pack of them actually. I've tried them, they're fine, they're useful, they're comfortable, seem like good quality, so I was happy with them. So I don't mind having 4 pairs now. So the other thing that I was really happy to be able to choose, that I have passed on so many times, but actually could really use, is the spoon rest. And I'm really happy that I've been able to pick this up because it will be something very useful for my kitchen and something that will really match my kitchen well. Yeah, so that is a pretty design. I hope it doesn't get broken on our countertops. They are bad for if you drop something, that's the end of that. They break quickly. Okay, so those were the 4 items I was able to choose. Because this was a seasonal account, I wasn't able to customize my last choice. So what did they give to me? So they gave me the NCLA lip mask. And I have to say, in birthday cake, I ordered this because the last time there was a really good lip product in the box, and I actually ended up loving it way more than I thought I would. This, I don't love. I don't love it because I was expecting it to be like a sweet vanilla cake kind of birthday cake scent, and it's actually more like putting butter on your lips, I find. I've tried to power through and put it on because maybe the product itself actually works well, but I can't get past the smell. For me, it's quite offensive. I'm gonna give this to one of my friends to let her give it a try and see if it's anything that she doesn't mind, because I suspect that the actual lip mask part of it might be pretty good. And then last but not least, the 6th customization choice that they chose for me was the Honest Mascara. And the interesting thing about this is not a Canadian choice, and I am in Canada. It was unfortunate. I should have done this right off the hop, and I could have chose some of the other exclusive things that I wasn't able to pick as a Canadian, but in the end, this was the only thing. I actually don't need any more mascara. I love mascara. I'm normally really happy to see it in a box. I just opened up my Too Faced mascara we got in the last box, and I had other subscription boxes that have been sending me lots of mascaras, so this will go in the lineup. Might be a good mascara, but overall, some of the things, like I really wish they would have sent me the neck cream in this category because I would love another bottle of that. The berry bowls have been super cute. I really am enjoying putting them out as a display piece. I think this has actually been one of my favorite products from the spring box. It's really inspired me to do a lot of brunches for birthday parties and Easter, and I'm really enjoying the way that they add to the dishes that I have. So, what was the item that I actually went back for? It was what's in here. So I thought, I subscribed specifically for that one item, and I didn't think that it would be such a high ticket item that I wouldn't be able to choose it in the box. So I thought, I'm just going to reach out to customer service in case there's any way after I customize for me to change what I chose for category 3. And the customer service agent said I couldn't replace what I'd already chosen, but she could add on this item for the other $12 and manually put it into the box. So this one shipped to a different address than the one that the box came to. And so I actually got this. And what it is the sprinkles tumbler. So the reason why I didn't think that it was a big deal to pass on the sprinklers tumbler is because I only really drink water. I don't drink a lot of hot beverages, and I wasn't thinking that it was anything that I had to have. But if you know my channel name, it's Polka Mailbox. And if you know my favorite color, it's pink. So resisting pink polka dotted cup was really hard. And I am so glad that I went back for it. And this is why. The Mason Tops glass water bottle that I got from FabFitFun in the past is what I use at work for my water. It doesn't fit in my cupboard that's specifically designated for me. This does. On top of that, it doesn't have a sealed lid, which I thought might be a problem, but it's actually ideal because I'm not going anywhere with it. It sits at my desk and I just drink it. And it's insulated, so it'll keep the water cold. So this has been such a wonderful choice that I am so glad that I went back for. It was worth all the trouble, all the fuss, and the extra expense. And I'm really glad to have it. So that's my 5th box. Now, if you haven't already got one of the spring boxes, they're doing a really good promotion right now. You can get a Barefoot Dream blanket bundle, or you can get an entire second free spring box. I'll leave the coupon codes down below. That I've just seen those advertised on social media as something that you can get. So the other thing that I wanted to tell you about that's unbelievable, one of my customization choices, I picked the Amika Dream Routine mask. I've heard amazing things about it. It came in my first box that I got, and when I unboxed it, I didn't open it up. And when I did open it up, it was smashed to pieces. Shards of glass everywhere. So I reached out to customer service and I said, what happened? We can send you a new one, or we can give you a credit. I said, oh, I really like to try this product. I've heard great things. And I bought the shampoo and conditioner. I thought it would make a great set. So I asked for the replacement instead of the credit. And then it came in this big box with all this wrapping, and once again, smashed to pieces. Has anybody else had this problem? Like, there's just shards of glass. I couldn't even risk trying even a tiny bit of it because, and in fact, it doesn't even look like very much is left in there, but it's like all the, unbelievable. It was exactly the same for both. They came exactly like this, and it didn't luckily leak out of the box on my first order. And I think it's actually all sealed in at the bottom of the box. So I reached out to them again, and they actually just offered me the same thing. And I said, I don't think there's any point in you trying to resend this to me. You could just put the credit on. And I guess I'm just not meant to try this. And actually, honestly, I'm kind of glad, because even just standing here holding the box, the scent is overpowering. And you'll catch on to a theme here. I'm very sensitive to smells. That's why I'm not a big fan of this. I'm okay with sweet smells, but because this isn't sweet, and this isn't either, it's kind of florally maybe, it gives me a headache. And so it's not the worst thing that's not something that works. So anyway, so that's that. So another thing that I want to tell you about is summer. I'm waiting on another box from FabFitFun because of that contest that I had won in the spring for the videos that you guys actually helped me win just by watching my video. I won an advanced product for the summer. So that is en route to me. In fact, it says it's going to be shipped to me today, but I have my suspicions because looking at the tracking, I don't think it's close enough to actually get here for today. So, and I can't actually spoil it until the spoilers have been announced, and then I'll be able to show you what it is. I don't know what it is, so that's exciting. And speaking of spoilers, I just wanted to mention the summer spoilers are starting, if you can believe it. I'll insert a picture here today of my walk. It's like full-on winter again today. And while I show you pictures of this winter wonderland, I can give you a newest update. I just found out that I also won this season's contest. So that means I will also be able to show you an early fall spoiler next season. So thank you to everyone who liked my last video. I'll leave a link for it here. It's April 3rd as I'm filming this, and that's the date that the spoilers for summer are supposed to start. From April 3rd to the 16th, we're going to start seeing all the spoilers. And then add-ons for annuals are going to open up April 27th. April 28th, customization opens. And then the seasonals add-ons open May 11th, which is open to everyone if you wanted to shop that again, even as an annual. And then their customizations for seasonals is May 12th to the 16th. And FabFitFun's social medias have started to show pictures hinting at what we might be getting. Might be glasses, maybe this picture with these glasses. There's cheese boards, cheese knives, or maybe even the blanket that this is all sitting on, or a towel. We are just getting little hints of what's to come. So that is what is happening very soon. Like, man, it just feels like we got our spring boxes. I can't believe it. But if you do purchase a box right now, it's the spring box that you'll be getting. Yeah, so that's everything in a nutshell. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to see what I'm getting for summer as a little sneak peek, I'll be able to showcase it and tell you what I think about it before everyone else gets their boxes to unbox. And yeah, if you want to see what I pick for my summer boxes, I have 2 annual accounts and 1 seasonal account now as well. We'll see if I'll keep the seasonal account. That is an American account, so if they come out with some really good exclusive items that I can't get in Canada, maybe it might be worth keeping that seasonal account. The other nice thing about having a seasonal account is you get to hear reviews and see unboxings before you customize. You get a real good chance of understanding the things that other members like, and that might give you more information about what it is that you want to customize in your box. And then it's also nice because sometimes they come out with different things that as annuals we hadn't had as choices. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.